So I've set up my air compressor with a water drop system that I've set up, so it'll cool down the air that's coming out of the compressor. So the water will condense down through here and out the outlet into the header tank and then back into the main tank into the compressor. So as you can see, it comes out of the inlet there, which has a one-way valve, check valve, comes through here up into the intake, which pipe goes all the way up to the top, and then it does a zigzag all the way along back down, right down to the bottom pipe here, which is right down the bottom, so all the water should come straight out here, out of the out pipe into the side of the header tank, which is an 18 litre tank, which I just happened to get online. And then there's a water drain down the bottom there, you can see there. So I drain the water out of that every now and again, and the air comes out of the top there, down through this hose, and then back into the original intake of the tank, you can see there. Now I've only just installed the system, well, finished it up yesterday, and so far it seems to be working well. There's no leaks or anything like that. These were hard fittings to find, took me about a week to find these, but everything else is pretty much anything you can get at a pneumatic air store that has all the fittings for air pressure compressor systems and all that sort of stuff. So at the moment the inlet, so which would be the hottest part coming from down there through this pipe here, this is high temperature stainless steel braided cable. So it's designed to withstand high pressure and high temperature. This is just some hose that I had to use. I don't know how it's going to go, but we'll see. And I've got the temperature probe on there. At the moment it's sitting at 28.7 degrees. And when I turn the system on, we should see dramatic rise in temperature. I felt it yesterday. That does get quite hot up here, so does this pipe here, and by the time it comes back down here it's absolutely stone cold again, so as it is now, same temperature. So hence that's the way that the system's supposed to work. So I'm just going to bleed some air off the tank here using my little gun here, just to get the compressor to kick in. I'll see how we go, see the temperature rise. That's only a small run here. When I had it empty yesterday and I turned it on, that was actually quite warm. It is warm now to the touch, as you can see. I got to about just over 40 degrees, but it'll get a lot hotter than that. But that's a normal cycle from about 90 psi to about 120, 130. So I'm feeling this pipe here, that vertical one, that's quite warm. As these ones up here, but as I get lower and lower, they're cold. They're stone cold. So this is actually doing its job, and that's without a fan. I'd like to say that I got the idea myself, but I actually borrowed it from a guy online, so I'll post this on a link, his website as well. And yeah, it works, and I am getting a little bit of water out of there and none out of the main tank, so that's what I want. Right, see ya.